Now, Rebecca, now we're ready to start cutting in.
Okay. And so that's just basically going around all the edges before we roll.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, what I want to show you.
Yeah.
I know, here I am with all the cool stuff today. Now, standard brush,
Yeah.
new brush. This is ergonomically designed so that when you're cutting in, you're not going to get tired.
You don't get cramps in
Exactly.
your hands.
Let me show you.
Okay.
So when, for instance, if this is your trim, what you do is you actually don't put the brush down at the trim.
Okay.
Because what happens is as you push, your brush is going to fan out and then everything will get sloppy. What you're going to do is you're going to put the brush about a 1/4 inch away, push down and pull. And did you see how the brush fans out and fills in that spot?
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Okay. How do I hold this? Like, I know this is designed for the hand, but where exactly do my fingers go?
Okay, so your finger goes on metal.
Yeah.
Top finger goes on top.
Like that.
Yep. And
Okay.
now what you want to do is make sure that you get enough paint on your brush.
All right.
So dip in. Oh, look at that. You're a pro already.
Really?
Yeah, just don't pull too much off. Don't put too much on. So what you're going to do is just get in there.
And I don't want to go right to the edge. I
No.
want to go 1/4 inch.
A 1/4 inch and then push in and pull it
Fan.
across.
It's fanning. Look at that. Okay, I'm getting to the end of the tape here, Yvonne. What are we going to do at this point?
Well, that brush you're using, the flow line,
Yeah.
it is great, but Dynamic makes an even better product.
Okay.
It's new. It's called the cutting edge. And
Okay.
it saves you from having to tape.
It's the cutting edge.
Ooh, the cutting edge. And it's right here. So what's really cool about this is that, you know, say you're doing a stucco ceiling and have you ever done one with a brush and you get your fingers all grated?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So this is really neat. You pull this little button, you lift it up,
Oh, and it angles.
it angles. We're actually gonna keep it straight for this part.
Okay.
You're gonna roll it in. You start off on a bit of an angle, sort of like you did here. You know how you left the 1/4 inch?
Yeah.
So start off and then roll in.
So I'm, without any tape, I'm
Without
rolling.
any tape.
Are you sure you want me to do this, Yvonne? How am I doing?
Perfect. And if you're a perfectionist like myself, putting all that tape on and making sure that I've got the same line all the way across gets to be a real pain in the butt.
That's great.
Isn't it amazing?
So now we can paint?
We can paint now.